Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting the essential inputs you cannot skip: consistent samples, subgroup sizes, and the measurement unit. Next, pick the single key metric you will track, defect rate or mean, for example, because clarity prevents analysis drift. Once done, open the SBC template or application and enable any macros or data connectors. This lets you import quickly. Make sure data columns are labeled exactly as the template expects, and save a copy before proceeding, so you always have a clean baseline. Now you configure the charts and statistical rules that drive detection. First, map your data to the correct chart type: X_R for measurements, P-chart for proportions, and define subgroup frequency so points represent comparable samples. Then calculate control limits, using 3 sigma as the standard starting point, and adjust only if you have documented process shifts. After that, enable run rules and annotate known special causes. This ensures signals are meaningful. Keep visual scales consistent so comparisons. Finish by validating and sharing the SBC Outlook so it's actionable. You run a validation pass against historical events to confirm that charts flagged the right moments, and then lock the dashboard layout and set a refresh cadence. After that, export or publish the view and share access with stakeholders. If something goes wrong, missing signals or too many false positives, recheck subgroup definitions, units, and outlier handling. Often a misgrouped sample or bad unit causes misleading signals. Keep one clear troubleshooting note handy for users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.